Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Discord version and backing up data. This prevents lost settings. Once done, download the Vencord installer that matches your build number so compatibility is assured. Run the installer as administrator. Follow prompts to inject Vencord into the correct Discord instance. Make sure to close Discord fully before injection. Why this matters: mismatched builds cause failures, and backups let you revert if a theme breaks, so handle those steps deliberately and in order. Once Vencord is injected, open its panel inside Discord and enable theme support. This activates the loader. Then import or install themes from the manager. Drag CSS or VC theme files, or use the built-in browser to apply them. You should adjust theme priority and individual toggles because conflicting CSS rules change visuals unexpectedly. Test changes in a couple of servers and DM windows to verify colors, fonts, and spacing. Troubleshooting early saves time. When multiple, you finish by restarting Discord so the theme fully applies across UI components. If something breaks, disable all plugins and re-enable themes alone to isolate conflicts. This narrows the cause quickly. Make sure to keep the backup you created and record both Vencord and Discord build numbers. These details speed fixes or rollbacks. Finally, update Vencord only when a matching build is available and revert to your backup if display problems persist. This prevents long troubleshooting sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.